What's up, guys? My name is Courtney Lee. I am the owner of Truman Steamers. Truman Steamers. I'm actually in my work van right now. I'm about to go do some jobs. I got 3 jobs today. But anyway, guys, I know you've seen the ad. What I do, I've been in the carpet cleaning industry for 19 years. I've been on my own for 12 years. And I've had the opportunity to help other cleaners become more successful in their business and also help individuals like you start a carpet cleaning business. Now, not only do I clean the carpet, I also clean upholstery, I also clean tile and grout and hardwood floors. Now, in this business, guys, most of the people in the carpet cleaning industry are owner operators. And what I mean by owner operators, one-man operation, okay? And what I show owner operators how to do is reach $100,000 per year. Yes, 100,000. But guess what? You can make way more than that. And I've proven it over the last years and help people reach their potential. But what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to get straight to the point. And by the way, Truman Steamers, like I said, I'm in my work van right now. You can find me on YouTube. You can find me on Facebook. I have a great reputation, again, helping a lot of cleaners. And I also want to help you. But what I'm going to do with this video, I got 3 jobs today, and they're all 3 repeat clients. I'm going to show you what I do each day. So just stay tuned, guys. Keep watching the video. And like I said, if you want to learn how to start your own carpet cleaning business and make $100,000 a year, click to learn more. But again, stay tuned and just keep watching this video. All right, guys, so I just got to my first job. Again, this is a repeat customer. I cleaned her carpets and I cleaned her tile and grout about 2 months ago. So now she got me back doing these 2 chairs. These 2 chairs is my minimum charge. I have a $125 minimum. So one thing about when you're in business, you need to have a minimum and also a minimum where you can make a profit. So anyway, these chairs are in good condition. I see one spot right there. But other than that, good condition. So right now I'm just setting up, show you guys how I do it, and also introduce you to my van. This is my van right here. I've had this van about 2 years now. You'll see it in a lot of my Facebook and YouTube videos. And again, the name of my company is Truman Steamers. Okay, so what I'm going to go ahead and do is get my machine rocking and rolling, start getting it warmed up. First job of the day. All right, guys, let me go ahead and knock these 2 chairs out. Stay tuned. All right, guys, I'm on my second job today. This job was a new customer, but she was a referral. I came in at $250, but the ticket ended up going up to $400 because she wants 3 areas with the carpet protection. So you guys can see me cleaning now, okay? You can see me cleaning. So I'm already on my second job today. And then after this, I got one more job, which is a repeat customer. And again, guys, as you can see, it's not hard work at all. It's not hard work at all. But you got to know what you're doing. Okay, you got to know what you're doing. You got to take the right courses, the right classes, get the right mentors that can show you how to have a profitable business in the carpet cleaning industry. Now, a little bit about this industry, guys. It's recession proof. Yeah, recession proof. Because I actually started my business in 2008. And this is a multi-billion-dollar business. Yep, multi-billion-dollar business. So, all right, guys. So what I'm going to do is finish cleaning here. And after this, I'm going to go get me some lunch. And I'm going to show you guys my 3rd and last job. And what I like to do, I like to build relationships, not only in business, but also with my customers and my clients. So since this is her first time using me, I called her upstairs to let her take a look at the first room. She was like, oh, that's what I'm talking about. That looks good. So I like to build that good relationship with your customers. Have a good personality. What's going to take you a long way in this business is being a people's person, okay? Being a people's person. All right, guys, let me go ahead and finish up working. See you guys in the next one. All right, guys, just got to my third job today. My first job, as you guys seen this morning, I was doing the 2 chairs. That was $125. My second job ended up being $450 because she added an extra room, and this job right here is $250. So guys, this is $825 I made today in less than 8 hours with 3 jobs, and I've been helping a lot of people do this over the years. $825, guys. Let's say you make $20 an hour. $160 a day, working 8 hours a day. What if you made $25 an hour? $200 a day for 8 hours a day. But you can start your own carpet cleaning business. Let me show you, let me teach you, and you can make $825. Actually, to be honest, this is actually a low day. There are some days $1,200, $1,500 days. But if you know what you're doing and you do it right. So $825 that I made today, you guys have actually had the opportunity to see me do this. $825 in less than 8 hours. My own business. And you can have your own business. So again, I don't have to speak anymore. My name is Courtney Lee. Check me out on YouTube, Truman Steamers. Check me out on Facebook. I've been doing this for 3-4 years, helping so many cleaners revamp their business, get their business in order. Also helping people get started in the business. So hit the Learn More button. Take you directly to my website, and for $3.99 you can join my coaching program, and I can put you in the right direction of starting your own carpet cleaning business. Guys, the choice is yours. All right, let me get to work, knock out these carpets. See you in the next one.